How to install YouTube on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and now you want to install YouTube on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install YouTube on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Once you open the App Store, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right, then search for YouTube. Click on the search button. Once you type YouTube and hang on for the search result. Then here you're going to see YouTube as the first application. Then go ahead and click on get button. Here you'll be prompted to type install from the pop. Type the install button and then confirm your Face ID or your Apple ID account. Once you confirm your Face ID or Apple ID account, you should see the YouTube application installing. So this might take a couple of seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection. And once the YouTube application is installed successfully, you'll then be able to open the YouTube app and then sign into your YouTube account. Now, once the YouTube application is installed successfully on your iPhone, you can then go ahead and open it. Once you open it, then you'll be prompted to sign into your YouTube account or select an account or continue without signing in. Here, if you have multiple Google accounts added to your iPhone, select the Google account you want to sign into, and then there you go. So that is basically how to install YouTube on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.